Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing well. So I'm just going to make a quick 3-minute video on GU, as I've just posted this into Discord, into my channel, as you can go and have a look. What I was looking for was, price was down here and looking to get long or, wait for entries, but anticipate price that will go long from here into a very first target to fill this sort of imbalance, which will come into a premium price as well, but then ultimately up here into this week refined on the 15-minute time frame, which is just an order block. As you can see, we put this momentum in lower low and lower high. So one really important tip to look at here is, as I did say in the weekly market rundown, I did want to get long from here, but then we had multiple breaks of structure, and we now pushed down, but this move here was the move that broke that high, and we had an area here which I've refined on the 15. But the reason why price respected, pulled off, but then come back to that area, why do you think that is? So we've come back to these candle bodies perfectly there. So the reason this happens, and you can go and test it and see for yourself, but anyone who's getting long in here, whether that be us or anyone retail, obviously they're getting involved in entries around this area, and price pushes away, they're into some nice profit, but then price pulls back. Why is that? Well, it's taking their, they're likely move their trades to break even or slight profit, and price comes back to take them out. Now, why does that happen? Well, it's taking their money and their stop losses before this goes to the upside, because I do believe this will go to the upside. And you can see once price came into that level to take stop losses, look at the momentum on the next candle. Price now has a reason to go up, so that's what I'll be looking for. I'll be anticipating that price will have the fuel needed to now push this to at least here. And yeah, I'll be looking for entries on my breaks of structure, whether that be on the hourly or the 15. But look, you can see momentum's kicked in because people have now been taken out, so price has a reason. It's always about looking at price and does it have a reason to move in your direction? If the answer is no, then you shouldn't really be taking that trade. But I just thought I'd go through that little tip because this happens a lot, and it's needed. Money needs to be, what's the word? It needs to be taken, in simple terms, before a move can happen. And that's how the markets move, based on grabbing fuel, liquidity. If you was driving, you couldn't drive your car without putting in petrol or, fuel. It wouldn't go anywhere. This is the same thing, exact same concept, just in trading. So yeah, quick little tip, and yeah, have a great day trading. Let's get into some trades.